Hello friends, today I will share with you how I applied toothpaste on my skin and see what happened. Amazing toothpaste beauty hacks 100% working. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because never miss another update. First I need lemon. As a rich source of vitamin C and citric acid, lemons are known for their detoxifying effects, especially when you add a few freshly cut wedges to your drinking water. Because of the health benefits of eating lemons, there's a growing popularity for using lemons as a natural treatment for skin conditions like age spots and acne. However, using lemons on your face can cause more damage to your skin and good. Here, we weigh the risks and benefits of lemon juice on the skin. Second, I need gram flour. Gram flour, or chickpea flour, has long been used across India and Southeast Asia as both an exfoliant and a homemade beauty treatment to lighten and brighten skin. Brides were traditionally treated to a sesame oil massage followed by a body scrub made from gram flour, rice flour, almonds, milk, and turmeric as part of their wedding day rituals. Third, I need toothpaste. Last, I need baking soda. Baking soda is used for various DIY recipes. Most frequently it is used as a skin whitening ingredient. Baking soda does not have any direct skin whitening effect. But, it does a lot of other things to keep the skin bright and beautiful. It exfoliates dead cells, unclogs pores, keeps bacterial infections away, removes blemishes, which altogether gives a skin whitening effect. Mix it well. We have to mix it well. Mix it well, ready for use on your face. How to use. Now evenly apply a thin layer of this paste on your face and neck. Make sure you wash your face before you do this. Leave it to dry for about 15 minutes. Using a wet cotton pad, wipe it off and then splash cool water to remove any residue. Use this pack once a week to remove dullness and add that much needed glow into your skin. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.